Welcome back everybody, Robert Lewis here. Today we're working on my year 2000 Ford Super Duty. We're going to be replacing the sway bar links. Let's get to work. Okay, first I am going to show you what we're dealing with here. I bought some new parts. I bought Moog brand parts because one, they're a major NASCAR sponsor and I want this truck to be going faster. But the real reason, I'll show you in just a minute here. Let's look at that. Look at what we're dealing with here. So, here's what it looks like. On each side here, we've got a hole for these grease zerks. The ones I have on the truck now do not have grease zerks, and it seemed to me like that was a pretty important upgrade. So this is what we're going with. Now let's get underneath and show you what I'm looking at and why this needs to be done, but don't forget your safety glasses. The underside of my truck is super muddy and I'm always getting stuff falling in my eyes. So let's go. Okay, this is the passenger side right here. So I want to get a better angle on this. Look at why. I don't know if you can see this real well, but this is all shredded up. All that rubber in there is all chewed up. Check out this one over here too. All this rubber's all broken away. Ooh, whoopsie. Yeah, well, good thing that's coming out. This one down here, same deal. It's all broken apart. Rattling all around as we're driving. So let's get these out of here and put the new ones in. Don't have enough room for my impact gun up there, unfortunately. Look at that. This thing was destroyed. I'm gonna pop in the new one. This is just taking a couple of minutes. Why did I just say that? I'm getting cocky. I am not a mechanic at all. I'm doing this in my spare time, something I do for fun, and I usually go watch some YouTube videos like the rest of you to learn how to do this stuff. So this is a pretty easy job, but I'm gonna keep on working. One more note, just an observation. These are fairly stiff. Moving these back and forth. Oh, that one can't even, oh, there we go. Got that one to budge, just barely. Had to put some muscle on it. These here though, yeah. Nothing left to these. Another nice feature I'm noticing is that this is squared off right inside here, so you can put a an open-end wrench around that in order to hold it while you're tightening this. There's nothing on this side. We've got our grease zerks over here and nothing else to grab onto. So here's where you do it and put your bolt in. So I'm gonna go install these now. All right, as it turns out, you need a 20mm open-end wrench to hold this still while you tighten the nut on the other side. I didn't have one. My set goes up to 19 and that's it. So thank you, BJ, my neighbor, coming to the rescue again. All right, now let's go down and install this. All right, now let's look up torque specs. Got my old Haynes manual here. 60 foot-pounds. No, that was the two-wheel drive. We gotta look at the four-wheel drive. 85 foot-pounds. All right, well that didn't take too long at all. Now let's go test drive it. Well, after a test driving, that was a noticeable improvement to what I had going on as far as things jiggling all over the place while I'm driving down the road. You could feel it, you could hear it. Now I've got a firmer ride. It's quieter, no more of that racket going on down underneath. I was expecting a lot of that to be fixed when I replaced the leaf springs, but turns out I needed to do both. Glad I did. So, and that was fast and easy and rewarding. So I've got a bunch more projects coming though, bigger projects, more involved. So please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.